Hello guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you the easiest way how you could download and set up Windows 11 into a USB flash drive to create what we call an installation media or simply a bootable USB. Both terms has the same meaning. So first of all, click on any browser which you have to open it and type download Windows 11. Hit enter. Next step, we will scroll down and check for the official website of Windows, which starts with https www.microsoft.com/software-download/Windows 11. So we'll click on this one and we'll wait a few seconds until the website opens. This is the official website of Windows where you can download Windows legally. So here you will have three options. So first of all, Windows 11 installation assistance. Once you download it, it will assist you to upgrade your current computer. What we said in the beginning, we want to create a bootable USB or an installation media. So we'll choose create Windows 11 installation media. You will have also the option to download Windows 11 disk image. If you want to go for that, just click select download. You select Windows 11 multi edition and you click download, and this should download for you the ISO file. For now, we will select the second option, create Windows 11 installation media, and we'll click download. A little tool will be downloaded, so I will save it in one of my USBs. So let's save it here and we'll click save. This little tool will be downloaded in a few seconds because it has 9 mega. So once downloaded, click open file. Windows will ask you if you really want to allow this app to make changes to your device. You can go and click yes. And you will need to wait a few seconds so that a little white window will show, as you can see, and it will tell you getting a few things ready. You might need to wait from 5 to 15 minutes until Windows is done. So you will see as first step this message is the applicable notice and license terms. Click accept. The second thing, you will be prompted to either use the settings compatible with your current computer, or you can just deselect the option and choose what you want. So here it says select language and edition. So use the recommended options for this PC, which you are using currently. I will untick this one and I will select the language which I want. For example, I want French. And edition of Windows 11, you have only one Windows 11. And once you set it up in USB, you will have professional, you will have home, you will have all the available editions in one package. I will just click next. And here you will be also able to select either an ISO file, or so you need to burn it into a DVD later, or USB flash drive. So as we agreed that we want to set up an installation media on a USB flash drive, so I'll select the first option. Make sure that USB flash which you are using has at least 8 giga of free space. So for now, we'll just click next. So if you have multiple USB flash drives connected, you can always just open your PC shortcut and check which one for which letter. So I want to set it up in this one with letter I. So I will go here and select letter I, and I will click next. If you have only one USB plug, you will only see one option. We'll click next. And now the download will start and the setup also, and it will take several minutes, maximum 20 minutes, that's the maximum, and then it should be set up. Once it's done, I will show you what is the next thing which you want to check before having the USB flash drive ready. I will pause the video here and we'll continue once it's done. So now that the download and setup to the USB is done, you will see this message, your USB flash drive is ready. So you can go ahead and just click finish, and we will go and check our USB flash if it's ready. So the next step, all what you will need to do, you will need just to close or click finish, and we will go to our USB flash drive and we will click on it, or let's open this PC, my USB flash drive. I had it already set up, but I wanted to reset it up again, and we'll just click on setup. Windows will ask you if you really want to allow this app to make changes to your device. You can always just click yes, and you will see the window of the setup will start. So here the logo starts and preparing 7%. This operation takes just a few seconds before getting things ready. So as you can see, it's working properly. I will click change how setup downloads and updates. I will just select not right now. You can keep it if you want. And let's click on next. And here it will check your PC and tell you if you still can go ahead with the download or not. And please note that there are two options how you can perform this installation. You will have the first option to do it while your computer is running like we are doing now. And the second thing, you will need to start from the USB or boot from the USB to be able to do so. You will find this in the coming videos. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.